Hi guys, welcome back to my Growing Your Groceries Gold Award Project video lessons. In case you forgot, my name is Talia and I'm a high school ambassador level Girl Scout currently working on my Gold Award through this project called Growing Your Groceries. Today, we're going to be learning all about the nutritional content in fruits and vegetables. Last time we met, we talked all about food deserts. As a quick refresher, a food desert is a place where it might be difficult to find or afford fresh or nutritious food. In our conversation about what might be difficult to find in a food desert, we talked about how fruits and vegetables can be incredibly hard to find or afford if you live in one of these places. I want you to think about this for a moment. If you lived in a food desert or a place where it was difficult to find or afford fruits and vegetables, would it be okay just to not eat them at all? Go ahead and turn to your table partner or small group and discuss your thoughts on this question. I'm going to give you 2 minutes to discuss. Welcome back. Here are my thoughts on this last question. Even if fruits and vegetables are difficult to find or are very expensive, it's still incredibly important to find ways to incorporate them into your meals. Whether this is in the form of fresh fruits and vegetables, or if you can only find frozen or canned versions, fruits and vegetables are still vital to your health because they have essential vitamins and minerals. And that brings us to today's topic. What nutrients are in fruits and vegetables that make them so important to eat? We are going to get started with our first activity shortly, but before we do, go ahead and pause the video here, pass out one copy of Worksheet 2, Nutrition, to each student, and then click play once everyone has a paper. And be sure you write your name on your paper once you get it. For the first part of this activity, you are going to be writing down the different health benefits of fruits and vegetables as I discuss them. On the top of your worksheet, you are going to be filling in the blanks with the different benefits of each color, fruit, and vegetable as I share them with you. This means you have to listen very closely so you can not only hear what I'm saying, but also write down the answers on your worksheet at the same time. Don't worry if you miss any of the answers because I will give you a minute once I'm done to fill in the information you missed. Okay, let's get started. Again, try to write down the answers as I discuss them. Let's start with red fruits and vegetables. Red produce tends to be high in a compound called lycopene, which helps supports your heart's function. Thus, red fruits and vegetables are great for a healthy heart. Next up, orange fruits and vegetables tend to be high in vitamin C, which helps support your immune system. Because of this, orange fruits and vegetables are great for helping prevent you from getting sick. Next up are yellow fruits and vegetables, which are high in vitamin A, which supports your growth. This means that yellow fruits and vegetables are great for growth and development. When it comes to green fruits and vegetables, they contain a high amount of vitamin K, which helps supports your bones. Because of this, green fruits and vegetables are great to make sure your bones stay healthy and strong. Lastly, blue and purple fruits and vegetables contain high amounts of anthocyanin, which not only give these fruits and vegetables their amazing color, but also support your brain's function. Alright, let's make sure you have everything. Take 1 minute to jot down these health benefits if you missed any of them. I hope you all got that written down because in our next activity, we are going to be sorting fruits and vegetables based on the benefits they provide. Go ahead and look at the bottom of this worksheet. Here you should see a list of 12 different fruits and vegetables. Your job is to go ahead and sort these fruits and vegetables by the health benefits they provide. Use the information we just went over to help you write the names of each fruit and vegetable in the correct box based on what they provide to you. I'm going to give you 4 minutes to go ahead and sort all these fruits and vegetables into the different boxes. Go ahead and get started. Let's go over these to make sure you got everything right. Let's start with growth, which is supported by yellow fruits and vegetables. That means the yellow bell pepper and canned corn help supports growth because of their high vitamin A content. Next up, green fruits and vegetables support your bones because of their high vitamin K content. That means spinach, lettuce, frozen peas, and green grapes help your bones. The lycopene in red fruits and vegetables helps support your heart. This would be our tomatoes and watermelon. As for the immune system, this is supported by the high vitamin C content in orange fruits and vegetables. This means carrots and an orange fruit cup can both help support your immune system. Lastly, blue and purple fruits and vegetables help support your brain because of their anthocyanins. This would be your blackberries and blueberries. How did you do? It's so important that everyone has access to a variety of different fruits and vegetables because they all help support your body in different ways. Let's go on to our next activity and apply what we just learned. Go ahead and flip to the next page of worksheet 2 and we'll move on to a scenario. Picture this. Your classmate goes to the grocery store but can only find blueberries and carrots in the fruits and vegetables section. They buy both of these items. I'm going to give you 4 minutes to answer these two questions about the health benefits of the blueberries and carrots your classmate got at the store. Then we will go over it. Now, I will share what I thought about these two questions. For the blueberries, your classmate will get increased brain function, and as for the carrots, your classmate will get immune system support. Now, as for the health benefits your classmate is missing out on, they are not getting growth support, increased bone strength, or even heart health because they're only eating two fruits and vegetables rather than a larger variety. Okay, let's go on to that next question. Now, your classmate also incorporates food that they grew in their garden into their meals. So, along with the blueberries and carrots they already had from the store, now they also have lettuce, tomato, and yellow bell pepper that they've been growing in their garden. Now, I'm going to give you 2 minutes to answer this next question about how adding these homegrown fruits and vegetables can increase the health benefits of your classmates' meals. Great job. Now let's go ahead and pause here and have a quick class discussion about this past question. I want a few students to share out how they think adding your own homegrown fruits and vegetables can help increase the nutritional content of your meals. Go ahead and pause here, have that quick discussion, and then click play once you are done. Welcome back. Great ideas, everyone. Now, let me share some of my thoughts. When you grow your own fruits and vegetables, you're able to add to the nutritional content of the food you can find at the store because you're able to increase the variety of the food you are eating. Think of this scenario with this classmate. They started with the two fruits and vegetables they could buy at the grocery store, but by growing their own food at home, they ended with 5 total fruits and vegetables, all with their own unique health benefits and nutritional values. Even if there are not a lot of fruit or vegetable options at the store, growing your own food can increase the variety of nutrients you are getting from your food. Great job today with these activities. Now we are going to be checking on those plants you have been growing. Today, we have a little bit more to do than just our normal watering because we have a very important maintenance step that's going to help your plants survive. I'm going to show you what we're doing first, and then it will be your turn. Remember when we planted a bunch of seeds so that if some did not grow, we would have plenty of extras? Well, what do we do now if all our seeds grew? Look at my plant. I grew many seeds, but now that they are all turning into seedlings, there are way too many in this pot. If I left all these seedlings together, they would be competing for space and resources, and in the end, none of them would grow much bigger. To prevent this and make sure that every seedling has the resources it needs, we have to pull some of the seedlings out. While it may be a little sad to pull out some of the plants you grew, it's necessary for the health of the remaining plants. If you have a pot or planting space about the size of mine, You want to only leave 3 to 4 of these seedlings to grow and pull out the rest. This will give those few remaining seedlings a better chance at future survival. Try to pull out the smallest seedlings and leave 3 to 4 of the biggest ones in the pot. To pull extra seedlings, find the plant you want to pull, grab it by the base, and gently pull or wiggle it out. Then continue until you only have 3 to 4 of your biggest and strongest seedlings remaining. I know it might seem like we are hurting the seedlings by doing this, but we are actually helping them. If we did not go in and thin out some of these seedlings, it would be hard for any of them to survive. Now it's your turn to check on your plant. Make sure you give it water if it needs to, and also thin out your seedlings. I also want you to fill out that second row on your growth journal. Go ahead and fill out the row with the description of your plant before you remove those extra seedlings. Go ahead and pause the video here, check on your plant, fill out that second row in your growth journal, and then thin out those seedlings. Then come back here and click play once everyone is done. Awesome job today! I hope you all learned a lot about the nutritional content and health benefits of the fruits and vegetables you eat. Before I leave here today, I want to quickly remind you to check on your plants every day. You will not have to fill out the third row of your growth journal until we meet again, but until then, make sure you're watering your plant when the soil's looking dry. Our next lesson will be in a couple of weeks, and you will get to learn more about food insecurity through an activity about grocery shopping. See you next time. Bye!